everybody. This is Kevin, Gijoe and stuff on doing another super important toy video. Today I'm gonna talk about this here Ironman. This is the Marvel Hasbro Ironman from 2010. Remote control Ironman. He walks, he talks. His arm shoot out a blaster. He had 2 big missile packs on his back and a remote control. When I got this, the batteries on the inside of it corroded. So I worked on that for a while. I've been working on this thing for a while and I'm not getting any results. I tried the baking soda. I tried a couple different things, but this Iron Man looked nice next to my other man. He reminded me of the Hulkbuster. He might even be bigger. He just don't work right now. I'm gonna get him working. I'm gonna get something working on him because it's just 9-volt AA batteries. I got a couple of battery packs. I'm gonna have to open it up and do it from somewhere else, but I'm gonna get it working. But what I did do was I found a commercial. Let me see if I can show you a commercial of it. Okay, put this on pause and show you the commercial of it. My son friend Shelby gave this to me. When I showed him my collection, he said, "Mr. Kev, I got something for you. See if you can get it walking, talking, and working." And well, I couldn't get it walking and talking or working, but it's still nice next to my other Iron Man. Okay, I found a commercial of one. It's not even a commercial. Somebody had one. This is what it looked like walking and talking.
Where behind you. Yeah. All right, do something. That's the red one. Dog.
We'll shoot darts.
That's dog one.
She's like 80. She's eating part of Shy Cat.
They did. Michael did.
Did he get the cat?
Yeah, he got a cat.
Gray one or the black one?
Tigger.
Bigger. Figure, Jeff, turn around.
That's pretty cool. See if I can find one more commercial on it. Here's the other commercial on it. This is what he's supposed to do. And you need the remote. It's a test where you can test it, but it helps if you had a remote.
And he's got 4 blasters from his hand and from his shoulders. Watch, here we go. No blast out, we'll try the other one.
So that was the 2 commercials to it. Like I said, music malfunction. Like I said, this thing is nice. The way it looked, he's standing next to something. Let's see if I can stand next to this other Iron Man. He's 10 inches, he's 12 inches. Look pretty cool standing next to him anyway though. I'm going to put this up on my shelf. I'm going to say, appreciate anybody that looked at my video. Let's try this one. Let's do this one. 3 different sizes. I think he's only 7 inches or 8 inches. He ain't even 8 inches. I think he's 7 inches. That might be my Marvel Select Iron Man. Put him back. Put a good spin around for the night. This is probably the biggest one I got. Next, I got a Thor that big. I wish I could get him to work, but this is Kevin Gijoe and stuff. Signing off with another super important toy video. I want to thank my mom, my wife, my beautiful daughter Kavina. Sometimes you have a hard time with life, but you'll be alright. I want to thank my beautiful daughter Joy, my smart son Kevin, my smart son Chris, and my beautiful grandkids Kavina, Kennedy and Cam. Just want to thank everybody. This is Kevin Gijoe and stuff, sending out another super important toy video. Go Sixers. I wish I could get this thing to work. You still look nice. I just wanted to give you a shot of what he looked like up there with the other Iron Man. Like I said, this is Kevin Gijoe and stuff, signing off with another super important toy video. I want to thank my wife, my mom, my kids. Good night, everybody.